we are finally getting back to the track tonight in Chili, Wisconsin, which kicks off a very busy August for us. So yeah, looking forward to getting back to the track, getting back on the tractors, and getting down the track. Well, it seems like it's been a long time since we've last been on the track, and it has. It's been pretty much a month since we were last pulling. We've got a number of pulls in August after kind of a slow start. Hopefully Mother Nature's going to play along with the rest of this month and let us get these pulls in. But really looking forward to getting to Chili tonight. We usually have done pretty well there with the old tractor, so we're hoping we can continue that good luck what we've always had there with the new tractor. We're pulling on blacktop, so it's only going to be the one tractor tonight. It's going to be a hot night tonight, which means the track is going to be very slick, I'm guessing. So it's going to be kind of a good driver's track again tonight, like it always is. So I'm going to apologize right away because I don't have a film crew here tonight. So our local county fair is going on and all my daughters are at the fair tonight. So I'm going to do the best I can, giving you as much coverage of tonight as I can. But we are all weighed up. We are ready for the first class. We got 3 classes tonight, 1750, 1850, 1950. And yeah, hopefully we have a good night. It's always been a good place to pull. I always enjoy pulling here. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll do the best I can to give you as many behind the scenes stuff, but it's a little tougher when I'm doing everything and running the tractor and doing all that. So we'll try to give you some great coverage here at the Chili Street Dance, which has been going on for many years. Many years. We used to pull here when I was a little kid, and it's always a good time coming back to Chili. Alright, so got done with that first class. It wasn't a great hook. It was just, I don't know, nothing. Go ahead. It was just didn't hook up the way we wanted to. Some of this is just learning the setup with the new tractor, and compared to what we did, you know, with the old tractor. So we're gonna try some different weights, move them around a little bit, try a little different air pressure, move that around a little bit, and then kind of go from there. We'll see. So it's kind of a learning day. We kind of knew that. We didn't expect to come off the trailer and be one of the top ones. So, but we'll get there. We'll make sure that we're doing our best to make the adjustments we need so that we can be competitive with these guys. Seemed to hook a little better with the weight distribution that we had. We're trying a few different things here with a little tire pressure, see if we can get a little bit more competitive, but it did feel better. The hook felt a lot better that time, ran a little better, cleaned it out. It didn't spit and sputter so much, so we'll add some more weight here for the final class and see what happens. Well, that was not the night we wanted tonight. We were at the bottom of all three classes. Got some things to figure out. Had a really bad miss in that last class. So we got some things to work out here before our next pull. So I'm kind of disappointed. Was hoping to have a better night, but you know, that's part of the game. You gotta have some bad nights and work on some things to make it better for next time. So we'll give it a try here in a couple days.